Welcome to the channel. Good morning wherever you are around the world. Greetings to you all according to your time. Miners. So right now Major has started distributing their token to those that connected their wallet with Bitget Exchange. So if you have connected your wallet with Bitget Exchange right now, I will advise you to go and confirm your airdrop. So worry no more. Even though your own is still showing processing around this place, I'm telling you right now that if you go back to your Bitget exchange, if you have connected your wallet with Bitget, if you go right now, you can confirm your allocation on the spot trading wallet. So I will navigate and show you guys my own allocation, not about this one. This one is just showing right here, but the main allocation has been distributed to my own Bitget wallet right now. And also there's something I want you to know. Like I said before, Major team are really working hard to make sure they do something very nice to all their community members. So even though you don't have a good location, even though it's just allocation, even though like you have only 10, 5, 1, 2, at least hold your token as well. So right now let's navigate and show you how you can trade your own Major tokens after the listing on Bitget. Simply navigate to your own Bitget exchange. So right now I'm on my Bitget wallet. So if you are on your Bitget wallet, it will flash like this, but you have to come around this place, tap on assets, and you can come to spot. Tap on this spot up here. Once you tap on spot, you will scroll down a bit. All right, these are my assets, but you will see that I have Major, right? So this is the Major right here, which means my tokens are here already. Let me show you. So this is my Major token, has been distributed to my own spot wallet. So directly once they launch Major, I'll start trading this my Major token on spot. Simply I'll just come to spot trading. I'll tap on spot trading, then I'll just search on this search bar. I'll search Major, right? I'll search Major. So once you search Major, it will appear around this place. Let me just search another coin to give you an example, right? So let me just search, like the Major will appear around this place. Then you tap on it. Simply you come to sell. You tap on sell. So once you tap on sell, if you want to sell 50% of your current Major token, then you drag this thing right here like this and you sell. You tap on sell. Make sure this thing is not showing limit, it's showing market, because sometimes if you tap here you see that it's showing limit order like this, but you have to change it to your own market order. Then you can just scroll and drag this. If you want to sell 50%, if you want to sell 20%, or if you want to sell 70 or even 100, you can decide. So I advise you to sell half and leave half. Then you can just drag it and then tap on sell. Then finally the Major token will change to USDT. It will convert to USDT immediately, and after that you can trade any token you want to buy, or you can even buy some other tokens with that amount you got from Major, right? And also there's some people that would like to sell and withdraw. If you scroll through my channel, you see those there's videos I dropped on how to do P2P trading, exactly the way you are doing P2P trading on Bybit. That is how you'll do P2P trading on Binance and also even on Bitget as well. So if you really enjoyed this video, kindly like and share to 5 people. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like. Thank you.